Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. Today, I will teach you how you can make an income of $1,500 every single day, and the method that I'm going to teach you requires no sales, no previous experience, or even affiliate marketing. All you have to do is copy and paste some text, and if you listen to this video to the end, my next video will show you 3 more websites you can use to make more money. If you enjoy making money online, make sure you subscribe to my channel since I post daily videos with a variety of ways to make money online, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos. We're going to use the first website to do our research, Google. If you want to make it easy, you can type in Google News or use the search bar news.google.com, which will take you to this page where you can see a lot of current news articles that are happening around the globe. There are several categories on this website that you will be selecting depending on what type of news you are interested in, such as entertainment, local, international news and everything in between. You might wonder how you can make money from news searches that you are doing on Google. Keeping an eye on the video until the end will answer your question. You're about to see how you can make money online if you stay with me. You can see on the left side of the page that there is a column which shows you different news categories. Within these categories, I'd like you to look at business, entertainment, health, science, sports, and technology. Choosing health will bring you to this very page, which includes tons of the latest health news from across the globe, and you can pick any article on this page you like. You can choose any article you want on this page, but I would suggest you follow my advice so you can save more time. Choose the first article presented on the website. As secondly, it's the most up-to-date news site. These articles are all very interesting, and the news is just site. As secondly, it's the most up-to-date news site. These articles are all very interesting, and the news is just incredible. When you use this method yourself, you can choose whatever you want, but since we already have our article, I want you to copy it all with your mouse or keyboard. After copying it, set it aside and let us move on to our next website. This is where all the good stuff happens at this point. We're now on spinbot.com, the second website I am introducing to you. The website is where you take your copied text and have it paraphrased and reworded so that you can make your own article in less than 10 seconds. I know how great that is, right? All you need to do is paste the copied text by using your mouse or keyboard. As soon as you've done that, you're ready to write your own article. I told you about the good stuff, and now you're seeing it, so you're ready to go. You already have your own articles, which you'll use to get paid for them on the 3 different websites that I'll show you. Just a heads up. You'll be paid per word on the article. It's great news, isn't it? If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to it. Now let's get back to the video to begin with. This is a video about an eatingworld.com website that pays for every word you write. You have a similar article to the one we were searching for and doing earlier because they are also about the same topic. In eatingworld.com you get $1 for every word you use in your article, which is a pretty hefty amount when you consider the fact that copying and pasting some articles on Google will pay you $1 for every word. It's like getting money in a blink of an eye. If you write 1,000 words for your article, and you submit it to eatingworld.com, you will be paid that much easily. After that, I would certainly buy a large burger and a new phone. Now I know you are wondering how you can get this to happen. So the contact us section of their website is embedded with an email address, so please work your way down to it. The email address is how you will be able to reach eatingworld.com, so use that email address right now. Please write their email address in the recipient field when you open your email. Your reconstructed article should be pasted into the main field as the content of your email. Next, you need to fill in the subject line of your email, which is simply article submission. Finally, you will send out your email and you're done. After a couple of days you'll receive an email that confirms that your article has been accepted. In order to pay you, they will request your payment option and information, so you just need to be patient while they publish your article on their website. To do so, you will be required to give your PayPal payment information if you prefer to be paid through PayPal. But don't worry if you don't want to use PayPal, there are different platforms you can choose from, such as bank transfers, etc. Or the app is available anywhere you can receive your money, so you can choose what is convenient for you. Now let's move on to the next website where you can also make money right away. This website is called sierraclub.org and it also uses reconstructed articles from the news articles you get from Google News. Sierraclub.org is a website that uses the news articles you get from Google News to generate articles. I just showed you a website that deals with environmental health and science, which is somewhat similar to the first website I showed you. To apply this method successfully, go and do the same thing that you did on the first website, except that you will use sierraclub.org's contact information instead. Send a second email using sierraclub.org's email as the recipient and article submission as your subject, followed by the content from the article you reconstructed earlier in Sierra Club. In this website, there are not many topics or categories from which you can choose your articles, only the environment and science are offered, but there is no reason not to take advantage of this opportunity. If you want to do this, simply go back to Google News and look for articles related to the environment and science and reword them on spinbet.com. That's all you need to do. Visit our last website to learn how you can make money by simply rewording articles. You can get paid real cash with your text based on how many words you use in it. This website, dailygestore.org, is another website where you can send your reconstructed and reworded article, which you have chosen on Google News, and you already have the tools, so you're already all set. In the same way as a previous website, the whole thing is fundamentally the same here, so go ahead and click the email address below to start writing your articles. However, one little thing you need to keep in mind about this website: they will only accept article submissions. There must be a minimum word count of 2,000. This means that you must not exceed this limit in any article or your application will be forfeited. If you feel that this website limits your word count and your income potential is severely reduced, think again with this 2,000 word limit. With the count limit, you can greatly maximize your chances by sending out as many articles as you can. This will give you wonderful results since you will earn money in just a few clicks. It's not one of the best ways to make money online, but it's a great one. To describe the entire process, let me say that it is quick and easy. Not to mention that you can do this whenever you want, and on top of all that, you get a 100% free subscription, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, and like the video. I'll see you in the next video.